Claudiecooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices, spices. Claudiecooks.
Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video with your one and only Claudiecooks in the kitchen. Happy Friday to you and hope you're all doing well out there. Today we are bringing two cultural worlds to create this Caribbean Asian fusion steamed fish parcel. Hope you will like it and give it a try. All of the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below. So what are we waiting for, beautiful people? Let's get cooking! Woohoo! Let's prep the fish. Let's go in with some salt and black pepper. Let's flip it over. Right, let's set that aside and make the marinade. Starting off with 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger. The same for the garlic, same for the green seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of chopped chili seeds in because I want a bit of spice today. And we're using some tamari. You can use soy sauce. I'm going in with 1 tablespoon. I'm going to make that 2. It's Claudiecooks. I go with the flow. 1 teaspoon sesame seed oil. I'm going in now with some coconut milk. 4 tablespoons. And we're coming in with some ground allspice. 1 level teaspoon of that. Now you can see why this is a Caribbean Asian fusion. We're blending the flavors of the Caribbean with Asia to create this beautiful dish. I've just chopped some spring onion off camera, and it's probably scallion in other parts of the world, and we're going in with some thyme. I wish you could smell the flavors that's coming from this bowl and this thyme. Absolutely beautiful. Very fragrant. And now what do you think we're going to do? Of course we're going to give it a mix. And just out of interest, what do you think my other dish might be when I cook next? Be interested, let me know what you think. This is smelling really, really lovely. We're done with the marinade. Let's get the fish into some parcel. Gosh, I thought you would remind me that I need some acidity in this. Here goes my lime juice. I thought you were paying attention to what I was doing. Another little mixy and we're done. Before we put the fish in the parcels, let's slice the veg. All of my veg have been washed. I'm using organic, so I'm not taking the skins off anything. Let's get the parcels ready. Okay, so what I've got here, I've got some foil under the bottom here and a piece of parchment paper on the top, so we can lock in all of the flavors. Right, so I'm going to do one of the parcels here now, and then I'll do the others off camera. So we are loading that up with some veggies. Peppers. This is optional. I'm laying some butter on here, and now we're going to go in with the marinade we made earlier. And now let's wrap it. Time to put the fish in the steamer. You could also roast this in the oven as well on 180 Celsius, and that would be about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, but I'm steaming mine as mentioned in the video. We're going to steam that for about 15 to 18 minutes or until it's cooked, and it would be the same timing if you're doing it in the oven, but until it's fully cooked. So I'll see you when those are done. The fish is done, so we're just going to take it off the fire and set it aside. Just going to leave it there until I'm plating up. Time to plate up. Wow, the smell. Wow. Let's finish this off. We're going to sprinkle some salt, and I'm using sea salt. So just a touch of that. Some black pepper. And we're going in to add even more flavor from the Caribbean. A splash of Scotch bonnet sauce. Just some mixed herbs, pop of greenness, and to finish off with some extra acidity, some lime wedges, and really to finish, some spring onion twirl on the top. How beautiful does that look? I am pleased with it and hope you are too. And there you have it, guys, my Caribbean Asian fusion steamed fish. Enjoy.
Claudiecooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices. Claudiecooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices.